What is up, everybody? Today we are going to be doing a comment picker for the birth month of July. My mom's birthday was in July, July 12th to be exact.
Hey,
And what?
I never gave that day out.
Well, I did. But anyways, we're going to be drawing a name. It's from a random comment picker, the one that we usually use. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like down below. Help us beat the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment down below. Heck, even leave an emoji if you want to. Just help us beat that YouTube algorithm.
And help me get to 1,000.
Yes, help us get to 1,000 on my mother's channel, because she has been working at this super hard, and she is the hardest worker I've seen on YouTube. And she does get discouraged, to be real with you guys. It's discouraging on here, on this platform, when you see other people growing and skyrocketing over you, and you're just sitting stagnant with nothing. So if you guys would be so kind to subscribe down below, hit the bell notification, and also just have fun. Have fun with these videos. All right, guys?
There's a little bit of a rule. When we pick the comment picker, the winner, you must email me within 48 hours of posting this video. If you don't email me, then I'll have to pick another within 2 days.
Yes.
That's 48 hours. Okay, guys? Good luck. Let's
Alrighty.
get started.
Let's go. Let's do this. Desktop view, baby. All right. Right here is where we're going to do this. So if you guys are ready, start raffle and pick a random winner. Now, again, out of the 9 comments on there, you had to have commented
At least once.
at least one time. And we filter duplicate users. But what we don't do is we don't include replies to comments. You have to keep your comments original. Filter comments based on specific text. We don't do that. Exclude blacklist users. We don't do that unless someone's being a troll. Then we'll do that. But add extra entries. We don't do that either. Everybody has a fair chance. Remove winner from the list after draw. We don't do that either. So, with that being said, let's get this started. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Oh, Joan again.
She won again?
Yes. Hey, Joan, congratulations. I am going to send that out to you. You don't have to get back to me. I already have your address. But I'm going to send your stuff to you this week. You're going to have a nice little birthday gift coming to you.
That is awesome.
Woohoo!
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, leave a like down below. Help us beat the algorithm. Leave a comment down below. Keep doing that because it helps my mother grow. Come on. We got a goal. We got to hit it all together. I love you all. My mother loves you all.
God bless each and every one of you, and keep creating with love.
All right. Bye, guys. Peace.
Bye.
Peace, love, and chicken wings.